Hi all. Today we are gonna talk about the remedy of migraine. I myself have tried this remedy and it's really effective. I was suffering from chronic migraine. I would get migraine attack like every other day, 4 to 5 times in a week. And I used to take painkiller every other day, every alternate day. So last year I tried searching for some home remedies or natural remedies for migraine, and I came across this channel of Guru Nityanandam Shri. He provided this remedy in one of his videos. This remedy is really effective. No matter how chronic your migraine problem is, this remedy works like magic. It's extremely effective. It will cure your migraine in no time. Now let's talk about the remedy. For this remedy you need mortar and pestle, 1 glass of milk, cow milk. Mortar and pestle should be made of stone or it should be wooden. You have to take 5 almond and half walnut, and you have to soak it overnight for 6 to 7 hours. In the morning you have to crush them unpeeled with the help of mortar and pestle. Now add fresh cow milk, and milk should be little warm. You have to add milk little by little and then keep on crushing it, keep on grinding it. You do not have to add milk altogether, just add little by little and keep on grinding it. Keep grinding nicely for 15 minutes and at last add some honey or mishri as required, but do not add sugar in it. Now drink it sip by sip, empty stomach. This drink is very good for your brain. It boosts your brain power. It's extremely good for your nervous system as well. If you feel you have no brain power, you are weak internally, then also you can take this drink, and it's equally good in depression, stress, anxiety, and it makes your brain very strong from inside. If you do not have migraine but you have normal headache, then also you can take it because it nurture your mind and brain from within, and it literally support your brain health. Now let's talk about what causes migraine, chronic migraine and severe headaches. There is fluid in our brain, and our brain is protected by this fluid. If it is lost and can no longer be reproduced, the brain is literally dry. The brain gets dry and high. So people who are affected by dryness of brain will suffer from severe headaches, and then it will turn into chronic migraine. But it won't happen overnight. It happens when we keep on taking extreme level of stress, that too on daily basis. Thus leads to these kind of issues. So this drink is effective in any kind of headaches. It cures brain weakness, it hydrates and nurture your brain, and it makes your brain very strong and very healthy. It's good in diabetes and pregnancy as well. If you have chronic migraine, then have this drink evening and morning, empty stomach, and have it for 6 months at least, but you will see the effect within 15 days. In my case, I could see results within 1 or 2 days. Also do pranayama, anulom vilom, kapalbhati, yoga and any kind of exercise along with this remedy. And have lots of fruits and veggies and reduce the intake of grains. Also reduce the intake of sugar and packaged and processed food because it's not good for overall health. So try this remedy. It has cured my migraine and severe headaches. It will cure yours as well. And also share it with your friends and with everybody whosoever need it, just share it with them. Also, one more thing, even a healthy person can take this drink on daily basis because it's very good for your brain. And last but not least, thanks for watching.